Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear so you can make informed decisions. Today, we're checking out the CPLIRIS outdoor projector screen with stand. A 120-inch portable projection kit designed for both indoor and outdoor use. If you've ever dreamed of setting up a backyard cinema, a terrace movie night, or even just a big screen experience for camping trips, this might be just what you're looking for. First off, let's talk about stability. One of the biggest challenges with outdoor projector screens is keeping them steady, especially on windy nights. CPLIRIS has addressed this with their new generation chassis. It's both enlarged and weighted, which provides a much more stable base. On top of that, the package includes additional hardware to secure the screen. 2 chassis holes, 2 wind ropes, and 8 ground nails. Essentially, once you set it up and fasten it to the ground, it's going to stay put, giving you worry-free movie time. Moving on to the screen itself, you're getting a 120-inch diagonal display with a 16:9 aspect ratio and a wide 160-degree viewing angle. It's made from wrinkle-free polyester milk silk with a 3-pocket design, which means your image stays crisp and high resolution. The material is foldable and washable, which is perfect for outdoor use where dirt or spills are more likely. Plus, the screen supports both front and rear projection, giving you flexibility in how you set it up. And when the movie's over, it folds neatly and slips right into the carry bag provided. Setup and teardown are incredibly simple. There's no need for tools. The all-metal brackets, detachable crossbar, and manual make the process straightforward, so you can have your screen ready in minutes. This portability is a huge advantage if you plan to move it around the house, take it to a campsite, or host movie nights in different locations. Speaking of portability, the entire kit weighs just over 11 pounds and folds down into a compact size of 7.8 by 17.7 inches. The carry bag makes transportation effortless. Whether you're planning a casual movie night in your backyard or a more formal presentation indoors, this screen can adapt to your needs. The package includes everything you need to get started. The 120-inch screen, 2 chassis pieces, vertical bars, a horizontal crossbar, the carry bag, windproof ropes, ground nails, and installation instructions. CPLIRIS has really thought through the complete user experience, from stability to portability and ease of use. In summary, the CPLIRIS 120-inch outdoor projector screen is a versatile option for anyone looking to elevate their movie nights. With its large, high-resolution, wrinkle-free screen, improved stability features, and easy portability, it's designed to deliver a high-quality viewing experience whether you're indoors or outdoors. It's perfect for families, friends, or anyone who enjoys cinema under the stars without the hassle of complicated setups. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a projector screen that combines size, stability, and portability, the CPLIRIS 120-inch kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gear.